Hi everyone! After holiday season, ito ang aking pin repair. I have may lapu-lapu and meron akong pechay at saka malunggay from my backyard. I also put patola. So yan, nilaga ko lang yan. And of course, I have this Energy Go sticks. Since I really want to feel like refresh kasi kakamassage ko lang yesterday, last night. So before doing my detox for the month for the year of 2025, ayun, I have completed yung mga kailangan ko. Start na ako dito sa mga green leafy vegetables. So I'm going to show you how I'm gonna do my detox, yun, journey for 10 days. Ano yung mga ginagamit ko, ano yung ginagawa ko, and i-share ko lang po sa inyo. It might be your guide, or you can message me if you want to, to ask for more information about it. So, I've been doing that for 9 years. Before kasi nagpapa-hydrocolonic ako sa, sa ibang bansa. And right now, here in the Philippines, we have the hydrocolonic. Aside from that, I've been using our product for detoxification every year. So let's eat.